In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a VHS effect to your video using CapCut. If you're looking to give your footage that nostalgic vintage charm, you're in the right place. This guide will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring you feel confident applying this effect to your projects. First off, let's get started by opening up CapCut on your device. Now you should have your video project ready to go in the timeline. With that said, what you'll want to do is head over to the Effects tab. You can usually find this tab easily positioned on the user interface. Clicking on it will open up a world of stylistic options that CapCut has to offer. Next, in the Effect library, which is now at your disposal, you will want to locate the search bar. Simply type the word VHS into the bar. This is going to help you quickly find the specific effect you're looking to implement without having to browse through all the options manually. Once you've searched for VHS, a selection of related effects should appear at your fingertips. With the VHS effect now in view, you'll want to select it and drag it onto your timeline. This action is similar to assembling puzzle pieces. Just drag the effect into place over your video footage. Make sure it sits on the track above your main video content. This positioning ensures that the effect will properly overlay onto your video. It's an essential step to achieving the desired end result. Now that you've applied the effect, it's time to customize it according to your liking. Look over to the right-hand panel, which is packed with settings that allow for adjustment. Here, you can modify both the duration and intensity of the VHS effect. Perhaps you want a strong presence throughout the video, or maybe a subtle touch at certain points. Take some time to experiment with these settings, tweaking the sliders, and see how it transforms your footage. At this point, CapCut will automatically apply that nostalgic VHS filter onto your video. You should now see your footage take on that retro, grainy look reminiscent of old tapes. This transformation taps into the aesthetic authenticity of vintage media formats, adding a creative edge to your project. There you have it, a complete walkthrough on how to easily apply a VHS effect in CapCut. This process not only enhances your video, but also allows you to express a different creative style. Feel free to hit play and preview what you've accomplished. And remember, anytime you want to switch things up, you can always revisit these steps to adjust the effect. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Enjoy infusing some vintage vibes into your videos, and happy editing!